Hi guys. Let's start with reskinning. Programming an application from scratch for mobile is a long and difficult process that requires a perfect knowledge of programming to translate your idea into an application, may take weeks to publish. Do not become professional programmer anybody who wants it. Professional programmers are the owners of the original apps on Google Play Store and Apple Store or other stores. There are two ways to take advantage of mobile applications. The first is to learn programming for months, then look for a distinctive idea and turn it into a high-quality application. The second is to use the reskin, which is not difficult compared to the previous method, to get your own application and monetize it by advertising or selling the application or by various other means of monetization. If the second method interests you, the following may be helpful. What is reskin? Reskin is by definition, start where others have ended, a method used in various fields and according to what is designed to create a distinct product that bears your own touch and that you can produce and sell. Google has not stopped these games or banned them from imitation, but has allowed them to collect good downloads on its famous store. In view of these games and names, we find that they are different in the background and in certain elements of the image, while maintaining the same idea and the same principle. But what is reskin for mobile apps? Many native application programmers provide the source code for their applications and games and take advantage of them at a cost. You can purchase a specific application source code from a few dollars to $1,000 depending on the importance of the original application and the needs of its developer. The next step is to modify some elements of the application and add new features and more important options to differentiate from the original application and convincing for the download. The process does not take a lot of time, but you need to know some very important aspects to succeed and get good results. That's all for today. See you in another video.